Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely. Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty. Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine. Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Disco midnight, you come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive.
This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today.
Fake interview. Oh.
Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. This is going to be the second affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Apply a second layer of gel polish. Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. We are going to be using nail foils for our simple nail art design. Now, apply a thin layer of foil transfer. Now, cure your press-on nails for 30 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat. Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. At home, saving money, self-care nails, and finish. Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client. Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary nails. Intend to learn DIY, how to, making money online, all in one video.